Mastering context clues. Making educated guesses in English idiomatic expressions. Hello, English learners. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of English idiomatic expressions. Understanding idiomatic expressions is a key part of mastering the English language, and context clues are your best friend in figuring them out. Our focus in this video will be using context clues to make an educated guess about the meaning of an idiomatic expression. To start with, let's remind ourselves what idiomatic expressions are. An idiomatic expression is a phrase or sentence whose meaning isn't clear from the individual words it contains. For example, kick the bucket doesn't literally mean to kick a bucket. It's a somewhat humorous way to say, to die. Now, let's talk about context clues. These are hints that an author gives to help define a difficult or unusual word within a book. The clue may appear within the same sentence as the word to which it refers, or it may follow in the next sentence. For instance, if you come across the sentence, "The students were elated when their grades were handed out." The word elated can be deduced to mean something positive given the positive context. To understand idioms, we often need to use context clues. If someone says, "She spilled the beans," and then you notice everyone looking surprised about some news, you can guess that "spill the beans" probably means to reveal a secret. The reactions of the people and the subsequent conversation provide the context clues here. The last step in our journey today is making an educated guess using context clues. When you encounter an idiom, look at the overall sentence and situation. What is happening? How are people reacting? What do other sentences around it say? By examining these context clues, you can make an educated guess about what the idiom might mean. Let's practice this with an example. John decided to bite the bullet and ask his boss for a raise. If we know that asking for a raise can be a difficult thing to do, we can guess that "bite the bullet" means to do something difficult or unpleasant. There you have it. You now know how to use context clues to make educated guesses about English idiomatic expressions. Remember, practice is key when it comes to mastering any language skill, so keep reading, listening, and speaking in English to sharpen your idiom understanding skills. I hope you found this video helpful, and I can't wait to see you in the next one, where we'll continue our exploration of the English language. Happy learning!